What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how to bypass or remove FRP from Samsung Galaxy M16, the Android 15 and 40. It's a new method how to bypass or remove the FRP. As you've seen, the phone is locked by FRP or factory reset protection, and the phone is Samsung Galaxy M16 5G. And first let us try by UnlockTool. And Chimera is not working for this phone, it's not unlocking the FRP by Chimera. So we turn off the phone and we will try it by parloader mode on UnlockTool. As you see, it's now processing for removing the FRP, and now it's not working. Don't worry, there's another method. It's working 100%. As you see, it's not sending the download agent, it's failed. So we close the unlock tool and we open another tool which is called Cheetah Tool. It's a new tool and it's a very powerful tool. Let's run the Cheetah Tool and we select the model first. As you see, we select a Samsung, and now we select on the model number Samsung Galaxy M16. As you see, after we select the M16, we click on select, and now as you see, we select FRP remove. After we wait some seconds or 1 minute, it will show us two options, which is two option, bureau mode and parloader mode. And then we run the procedure. We have to wait. I think now it's showing the two options, bureau mode and parloader mode. We select bureau mode and click OK, and we plug the phone after we select and OK. As you see, it's removing the FRP. It's processing now. I think it's finished successfully and removed the FRP from the phone. As you see, our phone will boot up, and if it asks us to factory reset, we factory reset it. If it asks us to factory reset, we do so, and then let's see if it's opened the FRP. As you see now, it's opening the phone, and there is no the key sign, so it's removed and we can skip. Thanks for watching and keep in touch.